Hey guys, it's Tame. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So for today's video, this is highly requested by you guys. You all wanted to see how I do my brows and a quick tutorial on how to apply your 3D mink lashes. And trust me, you do not want to miss this. It's super easy, super fast, and beginner friendly. And also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Keep watching for the tutorial. So I'm using my brow brush and I'm taming the hairs, brushing them in the direction in which I want to apply my Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade, and this is from NYX. I'm dipping the brush lightly into the pomade, and then I'm going to outline the bottom of my brow, and just in very small strokes until I get to the very outer corner. Now I'm using the same pomade and I'm actually filling in the brow, and I'm pretty much tracing my natural brow. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps on my other brow. I'm going back in with my brush and I'm smoothing the product throughout the brow. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer and a small angled brush. I'm going to apply the concealer to the outside of my brow, and this is for cleanup purposes, and it gives it a very sleek look. So here's a hack on getting those ombre brows. You'll want to use a little bit of concealer right on the tip of the brow, or the beginning of the brow, you know what I mean, and then use your brush and slowly smooth it through. It gives it that light to dark effect. And now to apply your 3D mink lashes, I'm using my Marc Jacobs mascara, and I prefer to use the mascara before applying my lashes. Now these gorgeous lashes are from my lash line, Tame Beauty. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to check out the site and purchase your lashes. So the first thing that I do is put it up to my natural lash and make sure that the lash fits. If it does not fit, I'll use my scissors and trim the lash to make sure that it fits my lash. am coming through with the hacks today. I am using my Duo Lash Glue, and this one is amazing because it has the applicator and it dries super fast. I am applying it directly to my natural lash line, not the lashes, my lash line first. This way you know exactly where to place the 3D lash once you apply it. And then as an extra hold, I do dab a little bit of the glue on the outer corners of my 3D mink lash. I'm using my tweezers and I am sitting the 3D mink lash directly on my lash line at the exact placement where I put the glue. And now I'm just making sure that the lash is secure, and I'm pressing my natural lash and the 3D lash together. And now I'll repeat these steps on the other eye. So here is the finished result. I hope you guys love this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also visit my website, tameriebeauty.com. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I love speaking with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.